Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video number 20, we have understand the ownership mechanism means memory management mechanism in Rust programming language and what is the difference between move, clone and copy data. Now we have to understand the special data type is called Enum type. How to create const variable by using const keyword in Rust. These are basic concepts of any programming language, but these are more important because we always ignore to learn enum. So enum is a very special data type and how to use it and how to use match. Match is like a switch in other programming language. So how to use all these things in Rust that we are going to understand in this class. So go to this VS Code and create one more package. I say cargo new, I say class number 21 and I say it enum. Now we go to this class number 21 and here I open again this one and here I remove this and try to create enum data type. Remember that this enum data type you can create within a main also or outside a main also. So we say enum and here I give the data type in name. So I can say here like true or false. So I say check variable. I will create a simple one and I say here the information is I say true or I say false. Like this I want to use it true or false, a simple one. So check is there. Now I have to use this enum. So I create a data type. I say let and I say info of check type, remember, and here I give it to default value of check. I say that is true, remember this I am giving here. Info is a variable of check data type, so enum is a data type which have these two information, remember. Now I have to check this to execute my code. For that I use match. Match is similar to switch. Here I pass info and here I have to do the coding for that. So I say if the info value is like a check true, then I have to display println like this and I say it is true, remember that I am going to display. Once again if we have a false, then I say it is false, remember that we have to give, and I have to put comma in place of this one. That comma I have to use in place of semicolon. That is the syntax. So this is false. I'm setting here true, so it will display it is true. So try to execute it. I say cargo run and you see that it giving warning also that you have not used this false, but it's a different thing, but answer is true. And if I say here false, spelling is mistake, false, like this. If it is false, then once again and you see that we have it is false. Like that we can use enum data type. You can increase the value of this as much you want, but it's a simple one, check true and false. We are doing this, we are checking it. So you see that in this video we have see how to use enum data type, how to use match like a switch. We have used it. Now constant is remaining. What is the use of const keyword? To same this you can create a variable here. I say const and I say pi, I say 3.14 and I need to specify data type also. So I say F32. So this is the way to create this. So pi we have created. Now I can use this pi also. So I say println and I say the value of pi equal to and I say pi. Remember that it's a constant, so we have to create in capital letter. You may have a small letter, but it is the mechanism to do that. We do like this and you see that we have the value of constant also. But if you try to change the value, you suppose you say 3.45, if you want to change, it's showing error, you see, and you can see the error also. because it's a constant value, you can't assign to the expression. You see, constant value cannot be reassigned, so it is not valid here. We have to remove it. So this is a simple one. The one line of syntax is to create a constant variable and enum data type. So this enum data type is also most important whenever we do some special kind of coding, then we require this. So in this video we understand how to use enum and constant variable in Rust programming language. We also understand how to use match to execute enum data type program. You see this one. So if you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.